Synthesia AI. Have you ever skipped creating a video because hiring actors, renting cameras, or booking a studio felt too expensive or complicated? What if making professional videos could be as simple as typing words on a screen? That's the reality Synthesia is creating. Founded in 2017 by Victor Raparbelli, Stefan Gerald, Professors Matthias Niesner and Lord Agapito, and Lasse Korsgaard, this London-based company set out to break the barriers of traditional video production. The idea was born from Niesner's AI research on generating realistic videos and Raparbelli's vision to democratize content creation, allowing even a 16-year-old to produce high-quality videos without specialized tools. Synthesia gained attention early. In 2018, it wowed the BBC by showing a news anchor speaking multiple languages he didn't know. In 2019, the company powered a malaria awareness campaign where David Beckham appeared to speak 9 different languages, a moment that showcased AI's potential for global communication. Investors quickly took notice. Mark Cuban joined the $1 million United States dollar seed round in 2019, followed by $12.5 million United States dollars in Series A and $50 million United States dollars in Series B. By January 2025, Synthesia had raised $180 million United States dollars in Series D funding, reaching unicorn status with a valuation exceeding $1 billion United States dollars. The platform itself is simple. Users type a script, and Synthesia's AI generates a photorealistic video complete with natural lip syncing and speech in over 120 languages. Major brands like Amazon, Tiffany & Co., and the NBA already use it for global campaigns and corporate communication. Synthesia's mission is clear: to empower everyone to create professional videos easily using AI. With around 200 employees and a rapidly growing customer base, it has become one of the UK's top AI companies by revenue and investment. Imagine replacing costly production setups with just your keyboard. Synthesia is not only reshaping video creation, it's making storytelling accessible to anyone, anywhere. Try it today and see how AI can transform your ideas into stunning videos.